Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Okemute, and if it's your first time joining the family, hello. If it's your first time seeing my face, hi. Thank you so much for joining the family today. We're going to be trying on a new wig, and this one is from our good friends at Luvme Hair. Thank you so much to Luvme Hair for always supporting the channel. So we're just going to go ahead and unbox, and I'll be right back to show you guys the wig. This is her straight out of the pack, and I'm going to grab my phone to read out the name of this one. This is one of their pre-max wigs. It's their supernatural hairline silky straight glueless units. This one is a 13x4 wig, and first things first, I feel like beginners are going to love this one because they already took out the lace for you. You don't have to worry about that. This unit already comes pre-plugged, as you can see, and the knots are also bleached as well, and this one comes parted as a middle part, but of course you could switch out to a right part or to a left part if that's your preference. But everything is looking really good. She comes with one comb on each side, three combs, sorry, in front. We have one on each side and one in the middle, and then we have another comb at the back, the adjustable straps, the extra elastic band, and this is what we have, you guys. Everything is looking good, so I'm just going to head right into styling, and I'll be back with my final thoughts.
I used to wonder why, but now I'm left with no more tears to cry. I know that life can be busy, love, but you make time for the ones you love. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation? You're all into all that you do. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home? Tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me.
언제나 함께 있었음 해 모든 게 다 통하니까 Feels like daydreaming 너와 있을 땐 난 I love my life 사라지지만 나의 전부 그 chemistry 이상 너와 the two 힘들었을 때마다 늘 함께 했던 너 눈이 마주쳤던 그 순간 생각을 공유해 우리 둘 사이의 텔레파시 바라보고 있는 날 봐 someone like you 한눈에 알아본 넌 나의 replica We don't need to see each other to know that we're on the same way 너는 난 알아 너라는 말은 하고 싶지 않아 정말 보러 갈게 바다 건너 난 널 모든 알게 말해줘 what you want 알고 싶지 않아 또 나는 홀로 거야 나랑 YOLO yeah 난 너와 나란히 가서 주말에 평범한 연인처럼 밥을 먹고 싶어 내 말 틀린 건 하나도 없어 안 될 거란 생각 이제 던져 너가 없으면 날 okay 난 잘 먹고 잘 살길 okay 맘을 다 부어주긴 좀 그래 잠을 만큼 참았어 억울해 Baby I can feel it with you Maybe you feel the same with me too 매일이 난 네 생각하다 잠들어 Oh, my heart is beating for you waiting 널 헤매이고만 있어 I don't know what more to expect 매일이 난 네 생각하다 잠들어 Oh, my heart is
Alright, you guys, so this is what we have after styling, and wow, this one absolutely love. This unit is so beautiful. Can we get into the lace? You guys, this is glueless, like totally glueless. I have no form of glue with this one, and look how melted in that this unit is. They took their time with this hairline, you guys. They took their time to pluck the hairline, and this just laid to perfection. I have no form of glue, like no form of glue, and this is how good and how laid that it looks. Love it. This one is definitely approved by me. I'm not even going to talk too much if I tell you that. Love it. If you're a beginner to wigs and you don't want to have to worry about too much styling, I think it's such a great option because they've pretty much done all the hard work for you. You just have to straighten, you know, add your concealer, your lace tint, and you're fine. And for shedding and tangling with her, I didn't really experience any form of tangling, but it did shed a little bit, which I think it's due to me cutting out a little bit of the air tab. So I think that was why I had a bit of shedding, but it wasn't anything too crazy and anything to worry about. And if your head is bigger than my 22.5 inches head, I still feel like she'll work for you because it feels really comfortable and nice on my head. And as you guys saw, and as I said earlier, I had to take out a bit of the ear tabs because it was too long for me, and I definitely feel like I can go out without gluing this one down because it does feel really comfortable and, you know, firm on my head, but I still feel like, you know, I have wiggle room in there. So that's why I said if your head is bigger than mine, I still feel like it'll work for you. But if we have the same size of head and you don't want to have to worry about gluing as well, I think you can go ahead and wear her out to glueless. Absolutely love this one, you guys. There's not much to say. She's gorgeous. Can't wait to take pictures. I hope it looks as good on camera as it looks in person because this one is definitely going into my everyday week collection. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. I'm going to have direct links, every information that you need written in my description box, and don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, click on the subscribe button, join the family. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.